So here she is. Like I said in my previous video, I think it was drug out of a swamp. No, it ain't so bad. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yep, no problem. Yeah. There's probably some things living in there. Maybe it's best we can't see in there. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see what the rockers. See how they are. Yeah, I'll be replacing a few parts in there for sure. Yep. Not so bad. Oh, what do we have here? Okay. Yeah. Yep. Let's see if I can get this off. Yeah. No problem. Probably just have to clean it up a little bit. Yeah. I need a little bit of work, probably a few parts. At least the splines are good here on the kicker shaft. Yep. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. I don't know. I accept the challenge. I mean, should be worth it. I'll take her all apart, clean her up, figure out why there's silicone there on the oil filter cap. There's some silicone on the bottom of the case too. I wonder what that's all about. So, well, it's gonna be a job. If anyone who watches this has a donor motor or anything you think I might be interested in this bike, if this breaks anyone's heart like it does mine, can't believe someone would let an XR500 get to this point. But I'm gonna try to resurrect it. I mean, I'm not gonna try, I'm just gonna do it. You know, it's just gonna be work. So, well, I appreciate anyone watching, and I'm glad you're watching, and I could use some encouragement on this one. Good Lord. All right. Please like and subscribe.